Hi guys, it's Taylor again. I'm back here at Shoes of Hollywood and I've got some really high-end shoes to show you today. These are the Bejeweled in 7 inches. Now these ones come really good packaged. So they come in one of the little carry bags so that you're not having to keep them in a box somewhere, and these types of bags keep dust out as well, so you can put them in and then pop them in your closet or on a shelf or somewhere like that. They are going to be protected. So here are how the shoes come. These ones do come with the little covers to protect the jewels on them, which I think is really good. How nice are they? So these are the multi-stones, so if you come in you can see the really big stones and the really little stones. I think it's really good. Throws off a lot more colour. These have the real suede like lip to it. So these aren't vegan, but they're very beautiful. So soft on the top. These shoes are absolutely beautiful. These would be perfect for a wedding, funeral, formal. These would be really good for like just going out shoes if you've got like a really special event, like to the opera. These would be beautiful. If you're going to the races, if you're going to a really nice show, red carpet even, these would be perfect. Because of the stones, they throw off colour. So if you're wearing a beautiful red dress or a really dark nice green dress, the colour is going to pick up on the heel. So you're not having to go buy a shoe that's the same colour as your dress, because you've got one to match every dress. Alright, let's put these on. These are brand new too, guys, so the plastic on it will take a little bit to get used to and wear in. They will get a lot softer over time, but because they're nice fresh out the box. There we go. And these ones do come in a 6 and 8-inch heel as well. If you're wanting to go something a little bit smaller or a bit taller, you've got that option. just love that glitter. They're super soft to walk in as well because of that nice suede. I think these will be beautiful as a formal heel. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm just going to give you a quick close-up before I go of these beautiful shoes. Here is the beautiful jewels. So these are the Bejeweled 708 in the MS. These are 7-inch. They also do come in 6 and 8s, remember that guys. So beautiful. Like, look how it just comes off the black. And I love that it's got the clear straps. I think especially when you've got, you know, a nice fresh tan, toenails painted, it really just makes that pop. Really complements your feet. So yeah, I really love these guys. I definitely think I'll be getting a pair of these for my collection. Alright, bye guys, see you later.